So a boy now. Hello, this guy is a thief. Anybody that can bring the address of this boy in Europe, you have a prize. Harry Honwe for bringing this guy out is a thief. Don't accommodate him in your house. If you accommodate him in your house and you cry out that your things are missing or somebody stole your things and you brought out this guy, I will not talk about it. You understand? So that is it. So what I say, I appreciate you now. So I beg, I believe so now. Go still fit can record this thing the way it be like this. So that's how I feel post time because a lot of all these young girls and boys now TikTok they do. Now all those elderly people they Facebook. He is in Belgium. See, not use me play here, bro. If you know say this boy they Belgium, say na real information they bring, so write me. €2,000. I go tell you the guy address. What worst is a guy name. You want to scam me? You want to scam person with the thief is good. Make they send you €2,000, make you off your phone. No, when I do like this, me go stamp post. If you know where the guy did for Europe, tell me. The guy will give you €300 cash. He will give you. I'll tell them say Larry, you can the man now you. Because if that anywhere that girl for see that boy now, everything does solve. If police never come, that girl will leave her. You understand? The guy live with me. OG, why are you here now? Well, they use OG to say they use that they form. What I say all this one so? Well, they use OG person thief. Till they tell say the guy live with me. The other one say no, it's a lie. The guy live with. Well, the jack thief. Why am I one? Me and the buy one in the live Facebook. Why mama what to say? If I now was password with the Facebook. Why mama? Well, he made a tell and say, may anybody with this one when they drag where they stay because of €300. When they look for where they stay because of €300. I beg, I know the joke for you. If you now know the whereabouts of this guy, please let me know. I am interested. This is no joke. Now person money, now lost. Now person go, now lost soul. So again, now we are just on here. So you have to man, because I never see person like this idiot for my life. I have not seen someone so stupid and useless like this mogul. May I still meet people up. Maybe they will know. Maybe they will know.
Hello, good evening.
What's it?
What did my guy do now? My guy.
Where?
I said my boyfriend, Enogie.
Tutu waiting.
I said my guy, the boy will bring picture come outside my guy.
Let me have with
My guy the thief.
Now your guy.
Yes, no, you don't know me, Miss Lillian Pride. You don't know me.
Me where you say the
No verse. I don't know say I get criminal. No, my guy before I be say my. If I be me go, you know now. Only I take as a serious guy. Go na guy a sugar daddy me.
Oh, Daddy.
He might go, you know.
Oh, yeah, how do you come?
No, I did say I didn't. Nick, I don't know anything. I don't make the school record me. If I'm
Why you don't get to the top?
no verse, I don't make the school record me. No way, I quite agree for start. I don't see my guy. I don't see my guy thief now.
Well, let me the fair for you.
No verse. I dey cry for his heart. So they go school record me if I show my face.
Oh, that's cool.
Let me again now. You want me to send you our two picture? I'll see the lie again. E che avessi due fiori le vuoi poi pa. Come quello che qua. Il che li agguagge fa. Escaglia guaggiove pa. Bello che qua.
Oh, ma. You know what we're running for. You know what we're careful. Where do I get? Where do I have over here? Where do I have over there? Then you never that I know, man. That guy, the way God lost, the thing they pay me. All that way. They got the we. I know you're cool for. You don't get it. Where they play for me, where? Larry, what happened where? What happened where? Hello?
Enogie, good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine.
Wifey and kids now.
We are looking fine.
Just came to say hi. I pray God they find, because I hate anything called stealing. You understand? And I pray God Almighty they find out that boy.
Okay.
Because you know good for this life when woman go suffer finish 1 mile just from nowhere. Go carry the money.
If I look at where Quenny me agua.
Okay. You should talk.
She understand when one person will just come carry the money person sweat, it no make sense as na Europe thing. So if it be say the girl, what I go still tell you, if it be say the girl get proof and all those things, may go report to police.
You don't already report to police. You know, say police
and it's very easy because with his picture and everything, they go for police. If they put that picture for system, they'll feel know where the guy dey. They'll feel trace the guy. Say except say the guy come up for this country or any country where he dey. The document already they got. They'll put on as criminal case.
Yeah.
You understand me so?
Yes.
Now wait till me I go talk put. I be that one. Thank you.
Enogie, what's the level now?
J, I greet you.
I greet you, bros. How you be?
How am I?
I greet you, Baba Water.
The superstar.
Yeah, you see this matter, when you break come out, so I believe say me we don't do this matter since 1 week, you know that star.
It's 1 week.
So yes, now we don't do this matter because when my sister called me
about the issue.
Yes, I know because my sister and I dey involved for that issue. So you know that star Flora and my sister. So when they call me because they not let me know before, then they do on by themselves. Say maybe they'll feel catch the guy because me myself I don't know the guy, but they say the guy come your marriage when you do marriage. This the same guy, so
imagine.
You understand? Yes, it call your marriage because when I post this guy picture, now they tell me say man, this guy dey your marriage. Whether me not see that they not say no. Not be everybody will call your marriage. Now go feel see. You know understand? Yeah. You see that guy so I know although say man, maybe they lie they go say man, he not take that, he not carry that gold. Now that guy now carry the gold and I don't confirm her. You know understand? Because I wish not be carry gold. Your old girlfriend, what you call your girlfriend? They call you say man, see what it's up. The next thing you awful, you know that and if you not prefer the carry phone, now person they call that person and I can tell they say see what they happen normal level he off your phone, you know we carry phone again, nothing. You know that okay now they still find out as a donation for bench or finish, they still carry and go they find out go Stuttgart. You understand? They find out go Stuttgart before they reach Stuttgart, call some of my guys for them say man, how far I be. You know that see what they support. So most of them can go cast the matter. Now make they don't feel cash. Now if not, this guy, if I suffer for my hand, you know, and I'll see cash on you know that stand. As far as now European, I would get this guy. Even though say this guy breed is good, for this guy to even for this guy to even stress me, reach 1 week when I take the final. So this guy must collect for my hand. You know that stand. Now police go call settle 2 or 4. And me now, I dey talk and for your platform. Say me anybody. If he give me this guy Nigeria address, I'll give him 500 euro. You know that not because you hear me so.
May get the connection. Why are they do me like this?
So not because you know that me not need anything. Now yours in Nigeria address. Now yours need go for address.
May I give you my account? May put the money. He gave me. But what you go? Buja. They say they
come. So send me your Nigeria address, your video, his sister, you know that stuff. So that if we reach there, we know I will take confirm a normal level. You dey hear me so? Because he now the dinner because they say man, according to the information when I hear, the guy now he run come out. The guy run come out now. He go stay for hotel now. You know understand? According to the information when me hear now say he don't even dey sell the gold. They say he sell to 10,000 euro.
Yeah,
they say he sell to 10,000 euro.
So that just today, Ojoje Teven of here with you. Oh, one not to provide the hey, bros, Nari address so to joke.
May send her come, we'll confirm her. If we confirm her, I'll give her the money.
Where worry?
Today, I want your prayer now.
Well, but man, where you want, but may you not worry.
I mean, they release them.
Me, where worry? We send that just to give me. Mary and Georgie, ma. Any money you gonna carry me?
Not be Europe address, so we say Europe address. Europe address, we don't use our donation around. Nigeria address now we need, yes. He confirm address where his family did. You know that's not then move from may the guy
carry 200
to thief.
Who carry 200 delay? Then the address no. Why confirm anywhere matter no the thing you no carry.
When the person wants send down.
Oh, send there now.
May send that come. For me they work now. You know that's may send that.
Oh man. What that yo? Eh boy now. Go ahead to Maladia. Go ahead to Ladia. Is it that no? But you see your house address. I will bring it out for 500 euro. Oh God. How do I tell you? How do you know your way here? Come take another new join this name. On my friend, I don't do where say.
No matter
Make. This is the account number early. Because again, now you are going to address it now again. You go no easy, your man go. We go no easy, your. Now they collect people things. They teach people things. Oh, Jack Monjeri. No, we have a girlfriend or no. Lilia.
Ya balọ wa ipa. Ya balọ rẹ wa. Epa ni kwa na.
You get us a good one. Yeah, big people up. Afure.
I dare hear you.
Talk.
No, I don't want to talk about the land first. God let them pay me. I just want to listen.
All right, start again.
Baba, see me for here the verse. How for this you? Epa, mene webo wa
Well, I'm
okay.
We on your cat, where did they make you out?
Ikata we yeah, oh bewe, iya rawe webo now. Nobody they believe me. See her now. See wetin just happen now. Shokomilo now I go thief gold. Here salo boave, bewe group of people. Mete we karo white yan tevera. Me ma we Shokomilo yan wa be sun yan ne.
Karo white yan.
Karo white yan. Shokomilo yan riravo.
Okay.
Here salo boave. I want to say very honest. Like Webo, I even Nigeria the kidnapper wa Webo. Webo yan wa we kidnapper like Webo.
They me push on my wa. O Jack mo dey. That was
Here salo boave. Akenga yo babu. Eni wa be la lo toto. Eni wa be do e godimu. Here wa be me character dan wa be like Webo salo boa.
Mister, no, toto mama say no ra. A man that sucks pickles is better than a man that steals. So it's not the suck. Not be the before. Well, anyway.
Yeah, but this thing no sense. But to talk about the mega, you know, we boy na ya can get him we go digi.
Hey, Skagge, that's a good question. Are you ready to wear him another one? Now go marry her.
He married now. He's a mama me wahi.
Marry ne. I go me ya we. One make you ya make example. Then I want you papa we. Or let assume you wear one of African food today. One of African food today. Then I want you papa we. All go one video call papa we. All the way when you were say, I don't know if
Ah, but report it là. Et mon report ma daughter ma.
Mamu wa wa. Ya we wa tena. Abezi vai. Isa lo bawe. Ibi wo ga ya wa wo.
Epa kuwe fie gbele wa, epa kuwe fie ni tore.
No,
Epa kuwe de fi desi la dia.
What is really, you know, good. So get money for this Europe, you know, easy. When you join enter person house, go carry gold of 60. No now. I beg go, wanna find this boy come out. This boy need to bring. We need to carry this boy. Agele wire some more. Ojida.
No, o jag mo Jerry. Wagoi. Na be this.
Epa Enogie. La wo wo ike Sister Gumegwa la Epa Enogie. La ike tona mi na wa mi bo fe dive no forgive you. Oh, idio jale we bo. Oh no na. O de ite ya chiti nya ime go ji do na. Wa gume mi bo fe dive we bi agwa baba. We wo we bola. Epa Enogie we mi no sunu e TikTok ina mi o ele video garu ope na mi o na Gumegwa o iwa ki ewu wa je secret wa mi ewo repa. A black beauty gele wa no o gele share Gumegwa wa me
Oji wetin ala. Lilian oji wetin ala. Gwete wo re mus wa ya me kunwa. Wa ya me yakuma. Owama femero wa ya me ku me ma worry. But a boy now, why are you distracting me? People cannot distract me from stealing to how to attend a cowboy. No. If we want to come and joke, we will joke. This is this guy don't even know how the BS is the dative gold. Oh, I yaba is trying. Over here, you don't do. You know, after you don't invest in so many things, at the end of the day, they don't come take care like that. Enogie, why Enogie? Why? Do gallant.
Epa da moça. Epa o pada moça. We ya areva na sin say the request is ma accept me. And ina do me pa ni yon wo. Ihon we yan wo ori party we. Ori marriage we. Epa we invite here.
You invite hey.
Igo do mu o, igo.
What mama do me yo?
Epa ya mas spray we. On mama to 10 million.
Gata we are you born no roto. Agu do gallant.
Epa o take a buga.
O gon ya gbe buga, na buga.
O take we epa wa se.
Na buga.
O John abi ife bagay no.
Na buga. Ebo. Ona aye melo nara. Ona even mase buga. Ebuga wa o oni zu wa gon.
Epa no marinha ifa panya ifa kin.
Gon ya gbera we.
Ise. O yen wa.
Wagay. Oh no.
Epa we that thing guy we yen man na date.
Imawu ya ma. dark skin guys are good. But some of them are thieves. You see, all those fair guys, Enogie, all those ones who be looking for how to be fine, how to be fine, how to be handsome. Those are fair guys for you. But you see all these ones, all these dark skin guys, Arena, Nadia, in an hour.
Say now where you go near your funeral. Say now we go near your funeral. Or very war if I want to tell.
Oh, Mario, we even know my matter. They have my body, but where it will adore a party. Oh, the man don't go to do man. It's totally.
I might invite you.
Oh, it's not. It doesn't mean that I must invite you anyway. Banana. If you say a dog gallant queen, follow me go one party with them for invite me for Dortmund. That's what it be. Enogie.
Pardon.
Hey,
Corrada.
mama, this will call sister man.
Pardon. Pala wo edenimina sunu a girlfriend me Flora or what ye me more not yet the boy with Jamie.
Okay.
Because a Flora reach ye me unto saying ye me must say with Jamie.
What is the pidgin English? Make people for understand. I get
pidgin English ya as me was the correct English itself.
Oh, no, as a do yaka. I want to say. I want to speak. I don't want to speak Bini.
Okay, pa. Okay, when is it broken order?
Broken, correct.
Oh, okay. Girlfriend, when I tell me we are need. Oh, we give no. Oh, they around 5 something. Oh, we not come.
Pidgin English, but when Wednesday na pidgin English.
Okay. Wait.
Sister, you say me you tell us like this. Alpha, okay, my friend call us, so you see I say it. Yeah, and that one is
sorry, no. Okay, sorry. My girlfriend call me. When my girlfriend call me, he say, see what they happen. I say, really? He say, yes. He can't give me the boy number. As he give me the boy number, he saying they call the boy, the number not they go. Now I say, no problem. As I all call the arrive message, the message not deliver. But as I call the number, the boy your pick. He be like say the boy fell asleep before. The boy pick. As the boy pick, the boy tell me say, who be this? I say na me, success with they Jamie. You know somebody like this? He say yes, na he girlfriend. Now I say, okay, now your girlfriend, which day you go there? He say, see so day, way in go there. Now I say,
you record down one at the talk.
Yeah, I record that. I even send and give my girlfriend.
You send that for me, but first talk first.
Okay. Then he can say, I never hear from you, my girlfriend. Do not say, sis, when you come on for your girlfriend house, you never call her. He said, no. He said, because the number off, which is the one where my girlfriend know. The phone off. But this one where my girlfriend they call, when me call so, my girlfriend don't call that number. Now let me be now me just they call in so when just they hear this matter so now so okay because your picture one they fly for her. I want carry your picture go give a pa Enogie. Now the boy tell me say no I beg make I give am today tomorrow. I see me they talk to him now he want comot go Belgium. Go see my girlfriend. Now from there, now as you tell me that one, I not really worry. I can't call my girlfriend. I say, girl, no worry, babe. The boy go come. I know for me, I not sure say now the boy the way talk. Epa, the moment I dey drop that call, the boy don't off his phone. Till now the phone not dey go again. Nothing.
Kai.
He know they go. He wants
this boy now thief, confirm thief.
If this say still thief my girlfriend though now. If I see go thief his friend when they gather there. My girlfriend me would have just stay for her the time when I dey Italy. My girlfriend a person wey be say not a thief. If you put something for grind, go put your con join your own. Now I make can say his friend where the thief he go. So still they talk for dear us now say his own friend not the thief.
a life for semeni wajera, you know the thief. He get young, he don't dey inside cloth, but just that he don't know many, he don't know reach anything. Epa say.
Well, sister, well, say thank you so much for
Welcome, sir.
landing. Thank you.
Oh.
Una good afternoon. Abi teme wa bava. La wa gbe we no ge bere we abi bi yan ni gun na oyi bi kan yan. La wo la neyan. Wetin yan me receipt opa bu wa be phone mi. Bu wa be go di ni no we ni de yan me receipt o ahon ni yan ma mi ya. Do ba wa no bo. Ni yan make na ya report so that yan track no ba ni. We body boy je. We bonus so that me track the number because I beg if they get the receipt of the phone of the gold, any receipt, even though not be your any receipt, anyone where they get for inside, may they go to Dunusha the boy, may they take lawyer, not be say Dunusha, una no know what to be Dunusha report. I beg if una want really do serious case for this Europe, not be say you go report to police no they do anything. Go take lawyer join now if you want really fight this thing. No just go report to police, they go just leave am for there. But if you take lawyer for loan, police go wake up. I beg, ask them whether they get any receipt of this thing, even though not be your good, but if they get anyone for receipt, so that may they use to fight the case. If they don't know, may they inbox me. I'll show them way as they'll take do. Brother, I beg, if you still dey hear us, la wo brother, you salobo aimi awe. I go be do hina la wo. Abi be kana beg ebeni aya kun go na we go dian gian. I wo me gbe mi no wi an na no matter e boga ti ki wa wo be be ne uwe mo tin ana wo tun ma la wo you salobo aimi awe. Mu gian won la o ewe ni tajo la wo ka bo ni yan diyan iyan ma na ewe ni o ko no ga wo be yan je ya gun yan fight wa domo we say
Now here wetin that sister talk, so everybody dey bring us on, but I no dey here for joke o, more I no like how they crack joke with me o. This girl, I feel her pain when he talk to me before I carry this matter come to talk. I feel her pain so I don't need say I'll come bring you up because they make me dey laugh. No, there is time for everything. This time not be for laugh. This time we all dey now, so not be for laugh.
A woman no ga go ba iyan me so according with the receipt, they get some receipt, but they not get all.
Okay.
They not get all the receipt. My girlfriend will be say this thing happen to Epa. He don't enter road. He won't go kill self. If he enter road, car go stop. If you just say the car they use speed, they go enter road. The car go stop. My bro, me just buy me go. Because you don't know how you want to pay the person where get the thing. Now him be the problem. You don't even from us there for nothing do one. You don't stop all your body or susu
no wonder she not to talk. No nah.
You know they fit they talk. That one, you don't even know what they do again. If you say and say me you read 1, 2, 3, no fit again self.
Because of gold.
If they say na young, no problem. Yeah, but this one not be young.
But it not still reach to take person left now.
No say na small thing can they cause depression.
What they cause high blood pressure? Yeah. I mean that's what I say. No matter what human life.
You know what you want to do? I can't begin the screenshot. Mama not her page. They give her say, carry this matter come out for social media. Now so we can't go. They find you for TikTok.
For WhatsApp.
Yeah.
No worry.
The more call this paid. You understand? You understand the man?
Yes.
As me queen be sorry, waiting I want talk now. Now Benin for now Benin I supposed to use, but because say okay, everybody they listen a very sensitive matter be this. Like me, Queen now, like ma ya tete me ma odo permit me near do tono na. We understand and I will explain for English. Yeah, when imagine na bros Enogie or kawe so when imagine me go o biaro ne eri me for 5 years. Understand? Igo osubigo ona agweme before ikedo yigo ni we project ina ime rie ele ma understand eri we me mayeve he ama iwe a total stranger go come una house because my own way of to see things or analyze something it dey very quite different. A total stranger go come house girls. Person wey be say you never know for very long time, you never get trust for am. Whether na money or na gold, e dey very wrong. Make it be say they will come put money for or gold or any available property where e dey very very e no dey safe. E dey unsafe. You understand, my brother? Because now it make you see say many people they feel they buy them. They lose guard. Scammer they carry them because people just they carry their head they waka. They know they make use of them. They know they make use of their brain. Because this one way be say you they find the boy they waka now. You know say whether good or not, if the people now in question they not get a very solid work where they do, where it enable them to buy those goods. Because if you carry a case go police station now, as they investigate good, now so they go they investigate the year where you buy am, where you foresee money where you take buy am. You understand it, my brother? So as a very reasonable people, una dey comment section, including me, una dey laugh now. This one a lesson to her. Because bros Enogie no go come dey social media for all in life. They pursue thief, they pursue who they accuse of atrocity of something. Make we dey use our wisdom. This sense now not be only book. God give us that natural sense. Make we dey make use of am. Also, na yedo ya te a track in iban. Mega ne almost about 30K wowa. Ina rie you we pampasi. A pampasi na ma egbe because ero vimia or gume change diapers. Etika ma we na brose. Look ya check pampasi wowa. We understand me. Or can we me more guana a queen law from a Germany. You understand? Because we to bugwe bros we we gunya gwan. Ono na guideline make you see the advice our my gender. My gender now una get this matter now. Una understand common sense make it dey common. Awa washe sagado agie e gese so waro e won kekan egunya because why mommy no nyodu kumban. Yeah, because we they follow each other. Where he talk just now say they go take receipts, they'll go find out. It's easier than said. But we know say here for diaspora. From there they'll begin the walla. They investigate some things, you understand? Because when these people they take they run their packaging, they'll go begin the investigate. You na no need this information. Okay, emi no kwaga ido degbuwa. Why una come they find person wey wan help una they find una lost something. You shouldn't say in the comment section that una no need this information. You understand? Because una no they want to they learn. You have to learn from other people's mistakes. Not be say when something don't happen before you come they run eta skater. Exactly. You might see it say maybe not make sense to you, but waiting at they talk, it go make sense to other people because bros Enogie no go dey here forever. They help una they found a lost property. Now understand? Now common sense. If you know say you get available property as a woman or as a man, your girl you they control babe they come, or you na woman you they control bola they come. You go make sure say your valuable things you go keep on. All this one say the person want go jump for 5-story building, the person want go enter road. It not make sense. And bros, if time see they come now we have a domain where you will constantly find out some things where you never know about. Some of our guests they know they try. Una come they stress the media. It not make sense. You know say you they bring somebody even your own friend where you know say that person are your friend. You never to understand that person. Person like me now, maybe my friend, they can't greet me. Like this social media now, I don't meet 1 or 2 friends. But when I never understand that person, na person where they steal or not, I go make sure say I lose guard. You understand? Because people are listening. You know where this, where it be say, Bros Enogie, this life they go. You know the people from Western world, people from different parts of the world they listen. You know to say maybe everything a cruise. A lot of people, they very far places, they watch this program, and at the end of it, waiting be the lesson. Okay, they are just looking for the boy, but ladies too, make una see they wash una back. The same thing go with men. Now, if naked Bekus no come out today, another one go come out. So I come a peace, Bros Enogie.
Yes,
You understand where to go? We are going.
Okay, I beg, I think so.
Arrest my case.
I bet one after the other now. You
Wait, the other. No, wait.
You meet people mute now. You not just come from.
Jasmine go talk. What go talk? Peter go talk. Mommy J, Mommy J,
If I no get Domo sir. Domo, I bet that may I just speak English. That picture where they see yours now, may I see the person when I dream me, I can't.
Yes. Anyway, I already TikTok is
So what did dreamy do?
My sister, make you call the person again. Make he explain. Because if I explain that to you, if it's not sweet for your ear. Yeah, I call the person.
Because I go call you know, but if I don't true, I go reach out to them.
Okay. Yeah, let's see. Hello, Madam Ose. Will you wash me up? Okay, we know. I know what you are. I will explain. The boy here any of you who are briefly, but you got away. Yeah, the president. Oh, pidgin English. I may not understand.
Yeah. That's okay. Now, boy, a big girl.
Now, woman.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Now, my girlfriend, the boy, the date, not be me. So, on the 24th of April of March, so that my girlfriend come from Nigeria. I go pick my girlfriend from airport as I reach. I first see the boy forever. I don't see that my girlfriend, the boy they wait for. So as my friend come out, I say the boy comes still come, he give my girlfriend flower. As I give her flower, I can say, say that this boy want to pause for. I say, okay, I'm just saying that one, let me tell you come. Say no, the boy. So the boy take carry us from airport. Come us, we reach us, we offload the things, I cook, we eat. The boy stay small, then go back. I say, how far I know this guy? Say, I say, okay. I don't need to come, they ask him many questions. I just that one apart. So from there, the boy call, they come our house. They come our house frequently, almost every day. If he just come in the evening, go ring bell. I say, where this boy they stay? I asked my girlfriend, say the boy they stay Germany and Belgium for turn outside. I say, hey, yeah, okay, no problem. So April 5th, and my girlfriend birthday. Boy was able to come to take us out.
What we are gift, Thomas? What we are gift? What I say, a gift person.
The boy will go.
Wait, sorry, make I quick ask. Your girlfriend now, you both have been like black.
A black girl.
Now black girl, because dreaming now, you both woman, now we know her put, okay.
A black girl. So now, before the boy come, I bring out some gold. I want to use some jewelry for my boss. I keep on top of bed, but the boss not the day. I don't really keep the boss. When I make up, the boy enter my room. Because when the boy come, if you want sleep, go sleep in my room, me go excuse them because now my room I arrange well. I tell my boyfriend, my friend can come and tell them stay, I do excuse them. So the boy want dress for my room. He come bring one gold half chain because the thing be like form of Van Cleef, but not gold. He come bring and come and come show me for people say, this thing na Van Cleef. Now I say no, bro, it's not be Van Cleef, na gold, na real gold, but not be Van Cleef. Say if you say na Van Cleef, I want to say that na too much money, now will come. Like I say no, not be, come go drop her back. On the 9th of this month, one bros we poor address here, the man they come, then police come control him. They call us say they come down the 9th. But they already call us say want take us. I still don't make the reservation. I call the bros say I know we know they ask me come the following day, which was Thursday. Now Wednesday where I go out, I take from that box of gold, city go out, Barry and my friend will go out, go eat. So I can still keep. Now I dey very sure say na that day Barry see me say I take from that box of gold. Maybe when he pass, he see me say he see that box, see say I take something from there. Now that day I dey very sure say he see me say I carry that box come out. After that on Thursday of it, the man will get address here come because police need to come control him. As he come, I give him a key. The key where I give him not be my room key. My room key not there. The one with my room key there, I carry that one come out. I lock my door. I just give him a key from down to the entrance of our apartment. My friend follow back, come out that Wednesday. They won't come back from outing. They go, they don't stay out because if you say maybe she pass, they go work. And she can't call me say they call her. So I say I wish you tell me say you stay. I say for drop my room key. So now power now why you can stay now. They say you know arrange your room. She can say no problem. She want just the cook. They call the cook with that man. The man there here. On Friday, now the man sit there. So I still lock my door, my room door. Now just the entrance and the one to our apartment. I did open. My room did locked. Saturday I did as I not go work. I couldn't deal with this man for us. Now probably the man stay before police can control. The man go as man sleep here. On Sunday, the man come in the evening, just come greet us, say he will soon come out. Me, Barry, and the man, my sister, next day, that day, the man not spend 10 minutes, come out. On Monday of it, Barry not come this house. On Tuesday, my sister give me, I think 350. As he give me 350, I come out and join the money where I add and join, everything come like 700, a bit 600, I come keep on for my bedside. As I keep on for my bedside, till that Tuesday, Barry there was. I locked the door. Wednesday, I locked the door. Thursday, my girlfriend they feel one kind because normally, if my guy there house, she dey there, she dey open her door down. The boy they come around, I feel say na better person. I just consider my girlfriend the way she did do better. Maybe she dey feel say maybe I dey suspect her boyfriend. Now I just okay. Now I just sleep. Door open down. Thursday, we do this thing so. Now I leave my door open. On Sunday of it. I said, I put the money. I'm not supposed to be let her cover that place. I just rest. Because not the money I want even use. On Monday morning, the thing flashed like that. I say, check that thing. As I wake up around after 4 in the morning, almost to 5. I don't see the money. I check and I say, now I call my girlfriend and say, babe, how far? This money not there yet. Say me, I check and I saw I did do. By the first, I know they find out. When I say, no, this one I don't pass that one. Then I keep this money. Say, no, it's not there. They keep it, but check and I check, I don't see him. I say, I take flash, go my gold. As I reach there, the full boss, the silver one where the thing just they carry that one. The rest, it turn them. Just turn the rest. They carry everything come out. I wish he not take that money. Me for not nothing today because I know they go out like that. As soon as I take call police, police come. The car they carry us, they go and say na car. Police check, I say na rented car. Not be even your car. We begin call us. I send message, send. That boy not reply my message. Then in the afternoon, you can't even take read them. He not reply. Till now, that boy not pick my call. Now because one person even call her for Germany, accuse them, confidently use one of our call my girlfriend say, ain't not there around. And why would they accuse her? And this will not carry the case, go police station, he go come. My friend person say, even the motor they come here, the car they call the plate number narrated. Because say where I'm my girlfriend, they even get the plate number, meaning my girlfriend go snap the plate number, begin shout. Come reach now, that boy not call us. You know, they reply us again. Any number will get we take call and not they pick. Nothing. Till now.
Thank you. Let's see. Problem. Yeah. So Jasmine, you understand what you talk now?
Yes, I hear what she talk.
Okay. So you know where? Why Jasmine?
Eh?
You know the boy?
Where? I don't get you know the boy too, I know.
I know the boy too.
Yeah.
Tell me the boy. Where the boy dey?
Okay, but I know I go reach out to you, make I talk to me, I follow and talk.
Okay. I know the boy how where. I try to pick, but yeah,
Bros, Enogie, I think you understand what they talk yours now.
yes.
Because person like me now, I get 3 children. Once in a while, I dey get person where they come they look after my children. All these things not they happen to us because why? We dey very careful. Because I know some of my gender, they will want maybe they do show off where their important and vital property they. You want dress, the boy go there. Maybe now from there the guy take trace say good they there. You understand me? Yeah, because some of women, while women waiting can go DJ never, except people more time away a go the river or ego. I don't understand. So also, and this one not be saying a joking matter. It's a lesson for her. Not be say before 3 days now another case go see come up similar again. If they talk now, they feel say maybe not be me happen to. Maybe they learn. It's not just about the fun or the cruise or about the entertainment where Bros Enogie they give. But at least more see they learn lesson. Yeah, I agree to brother.
Yes, Pat, you can speak now.
So, good evening. Now about wetin this for life, you need to make you not jam better criminal. If you jam criminal, this thing when you dey talk, you know they talk. That boy don dey map wetin he wan do for a very long time. Then they get their map. They know exactly wetin they do. Not us, e no girl you want dey careful reach for where old lady, e go still get you.
Exactly.
E go still, e no girl you want dey careful reach. That your business that the way you talk say you dey hide money for pampers, e no get spirit of thief inside am. If na really thief, e no get where you want hide, e go find am. I dey talk out of experience. Epa, you know say I fit carry something. Now be me even carry the case come meet you. Now my friend that time.
Yeah.
Baby father thief my gold and my money.
Oh, I remember.
If they tell me say that kind person go do that kind of thing, I go put one for juju swear for her.
Yes, I remember. I don't say I remember.
So just pray me you not jam thief. If you jam thief, my own I even go code I put for luggage. I take know my code. I use and show off.
Lady Pat.
I no use and show off.
Lady Pat.
When you jump criminal,
Lady
you no go
Pat.
fit hide.
Lady Pat, where damn your Lady Pat.
Even if the girl hide or not hide, you warrant the guy to thief her.
Lady Pat, I want to just ask you this question now. Make we dey honest to ourselves. Una damn your man. No say nina yedo ya te party. E get why. You understand? Because when image a man la no wa. You understand? And mana me we account me na. When me boss na or show way real line. Imal also na yedo ya te party na. That one where you dey talk na me na queen na I know from your present me marry go lawa.
Mama, see me and just
don't wait now. I want to talk now, please. I know to people see the earlier we learn to the accept our
okay, your
brother
Enogie. When you dey call baby,
brother Enogie, brother Enogie, the earlier. But I know the earlier we dey accept our responsibility of our error, the better for we ladies. This will not be a bad man now. Just say even the earlier we dey accept where we said that we dey error, the better for us.
Okay, you
get me.
You dey tell me now say no wait.
My lady, when you is
they right?
Me now from your presence now go withdraw money, go cash out money. Your spirit go contain no say me now take money. I can't carry enter house. I know from your presence say okay, my purse day for your present I put 300 euro, I put 200 euro, I put 100 euro. Then for your present then later when you not consider 200 euro for my purse, not be you go know the trace of where that money pass. Metamu where ego okay nika do sunu ye gbigo ni.
I don't know. Yeah,
you understand me? As far when your partner,
as right now, everybody happy when I saw the picture right now. You understand, Barry? So it might be happy your So I say I can no ban do ya o candy good or do my ya candy good.
My joy. More than 100 something thousand euro for his house. I carry them. How?
And to get the girl who can travel before K Hamawe where we do go dimu. He went and to get the girl where we can travel before K Hamawe where we do go dimu. And get where we walk.
Do you understand?
Barry,
No, we no complain. Yeah, enjoy, guy. Video.
What video ne?
Now the same car be this one, so.
Now the car you they use right now.
Now the same car, I think they carry up and down for the whole of Belgium.
So, reach out to the girl now. Reach out to her. Explain in my head. Since again, you come away at so explain in my head. Reach out to her so that they can bring down the pictures of where near flag right now. She be understand. Lao, I'm not happy about this. I'm not happy. But now with this picture I'm seeing everywhere, I like Veriana. A
police are back here.
Yeah, then now if you whenever anything right now, you have to take it up now. Who take the action now so that you make cannot stop this picture because when social media is always a social media. No, do attack government if that is a very bad signal. So you might I'll do anything fast as possible.
Police are back here. He didn't pick a call now.
Okay, call you back.
We're not just we're not 30,000 error. Oh, police are back here. What's
If I don't get now,
are you the police? Oh, Richard is my name.
If I don't
get police station,
if I don't get
Mutia, if
I don't get
wow, $30,000. Mutia sister one man. That's me, Mutia. Well, it's come on now. Nipeke was saga for years. Men ye ran there for 3 months. You don't take the shop at Duro, you the Chris. Where you for they see your strength? Who will go? A year to year. Every look about me because why I understand my system. I understand myself. You will be thief. You will they look for what they not see. You say your brother. I pray me I catch any of your family when I see. Yeah, I'm pushing about way. For your useless brother to tell you, man, you not call me. Okay, if not be you really thief that thing, then the person they tarnish your image. Person they make people they know say you be thief. Your face they the word. You know if you come and say, bros, I don't know one, I don't know to me, you defend yourself. Why you not go back to Belgium? May you go defend yourself to they say not thief. Say that
if I know gay, I'm going to force him to call you. Yeah, how man not call you? He is going to be a force. You understand? Because also about where when the boy maybe or because here when a man the boy kakabo. You understand the hair, but for the girl, now, also na kata bande boy girlfriend already because we have my win mokodi. Where the get have me we atayla la yone. Or what send a video game or where ya what see any mana you ni igwan ye the case this out your boy yone. You understand?
Again,
yeah, or where send a video game. So yeah, you may have my way since or what send there I need the proof of the video because if I man a band this is not a good signal at all. You understand? Oh, Jerry tagging Bama is very bad.
What the fuck was that?
Okay now.
Hello. Yeah, do I teach the boy there live video with me, you know, down the boy where he explained in my wedding where we had your boy on it. So I said
Ayelala.
It's a not like I explain anything. I explain anything. Before I explain anything, yeah, them will call you back. Nothing.
Okay, Mudiane, who have my Utayela Lionia.
Mama, I see my way, my boy, your way, my boy, your so they send the here. Not talking, we're not talking, but talking.
You see laugh. Oh no, we are moving police station.
When I go talk, we are my way goes.
Are we are moving police station?
Hey. Now wow.
Are we are moving police station? Now we don't move rien. I go to the police station where we are doing shy man. But a criminal.
Hey.
Okay. Why? 30,000 euros. Et on veut du Mouroubo pour pas dans le Dortmund. On y est.
Encore le du Mounéa.
6,000 euros. And now what possible? You know why pay the naira ne? When I pay the naira, then you know me naira ne account me. Then we are new account they always 6,000 euros because a business is demand no. Already
said. Is that true?
Sister, which the name of those children in my there, but I saw them only once. Kiki, estate. And I never there, I Caribbean, Nona maybe in Nigeria. Also, Nona Kiki and a estate in here. He never said he's married to a black. He said he's married to a white. A white
yes.
Caribbean.
Hi.
Okay, well, your girlfriend already near to do me.
Yes, my girlfriend already.
Oh, because according to him, where you have the guy where you married and you walk, we understand. So where the guy now problem mirror where or we so where you want it.
If you can listen to me, Kiki, he's a chronic liar, he's a bloody liar. And you know my okay,
you can now object. I'll just want to beg.
Okay, no problem.
Okay,
I will still reach out to him. I'm still going to reach out to him by force.
I will
still reach out to him. Yeah, what must you say? He may understand. Yeah, or you explain his details. Yes, because I went so if it or insist where in your mamu, my sister, you have every right to go to any length you want to go to. Nobody can stop that.
No, yeah, Jasmine. No, yeah, when I 419, no, do a 30,000 euro.
The second not I am 6,000 euro. I am 30,000 euro.
Like how many months or how many weeks ago?
1 week and 2 days now.
Okay, 1 week and 2 days.
Now with the God is 1 week, 1 week and 4 days. Last 2 weeks Thursday. I'm with the God.
Rama.
Okay, no wala. I no get done.
Jasmine. It's better for that boy Otime. Igwe Gwale solution yo.
Yeah, time na.
Boy na manatia. Que ma fi we am the family, okay? Era biye. Ni taba we Otinye we ni eti no gi. So your own blood brother or the boy, your own blood brother want me to kill you. They accuse you. These guys are still You see?
You want or take the boy, or anything about a good in also now in that way.
Thank you, Lamudiane. Hello.
Hello.
Oh, my not way, Jasmine, down here. Or not do a 30,000 euro or the land and go on. You dey hear the boy just now they talk say he want go donation me. Say me they laugh for your head. No, I'm not.
Criminal. That's the way they don't sentence to death. Now,
I dey pray make they even donation me so that I go sweet well.
Hey, but my DNA, black or BNA?
Yes, he gets two baby mama. One day Nigeria, we born first son. One day Jenny here. So I don't say the time when I go arrest the family, I see arrest the one we born first son. For African outside, I still get the girl contact.
You go arrest all of them again.
Now, what do you want to do? If you are not if you don't use the money finish, you are not see one, and even for a king or a family, you don't care. And after a family don't spend days for sale, and they say they release it. This boy don't care. You know, turn up. It's the key of they say already shot the money. And so they wrong go. And I saw some boys want to and so they sit for inside the money. And so they tell me, tax on you. I don't see one error.
1 year, 30,000.
I didn't see the gold. He know me. He's fine. I think the police is fine. He's fine. Where I see for years that the way. Now window he jump. As you pass the money, you jump window. I can't give police fine. So you can see they run from Genesis. Then they come up for non-dry and I don't know they say they stay.
Hey, I say I know this person.
I don't know now.
But I don't take that money again.
When they pass the money, you don't leave the house for me. You don't leave our open. Now me even carry police go to the house. Don't give police the file. Police go find out say na Emeka for Dortmund na get the house. But Emeka give me rent.
Oh boy, right.
No Emeka wey dey say after wey dey after so I don't even meet Emeka that time sef. Because I spend money for that case to even get all these contacts. Money I go make arrest for Stapley Road.
Don't worry. They look for your address now with 500
I get that. I did they even want them. I'm going even if the person have been person. I will say person even follow them, go in papa's, go show them. I don't call Papa today, see cost Papa. Say your pikin don't fit. So if Papa not go anywhere and they still look. I think the man they say, he don't say now. May they go whether you want that Papa.
Very good. No problem.
I don't have no problem. If I eat this brand, they talk because me still spend money because.
Yeah, we 500 euro. You have to buy your. Maybe you deserve it.
Yeah. So, but I still spend money to take the contract. I don't know whether I'll see my tax on you again now.
Oh, when you are going well. When you are going well, I'm not seeing now.
Wow.
Imagine how much I spent doing tax on you we lost. Now money I get all the contract they need. Now money I spent.
Yeah, Jasmine. No, that was bad.
I guess I'm very comfortable with that. My God, that boy, I don't need my money from her. The only thing when I need from her, I'm dead. That boy will die. Because what he do, he don't deserve forgiveness. It's not the grace of God. This boy for kill me.
But I know God gave me, say, he won't come up. Say, me bring her up. God gave me.
Who be God gave me?
She wear pink shirt. Her profile na pink shirt.
Jennifer, no problem. If I need your attention now.
Yes, if you need me, you let me know.
Okay. When you are the road, where? Igo agana. Igo agwa ligo wagmola. Why am I there?
God gave me. Do you want to contribute?
Yes, so I want contribute though.
Do you know the game?
If I on me hiata.
Okay.
Ima omononya go die here Google.
But we are gift over oh.
Nele girlfriend dog eh.
But we are gift over.
Ki jeune.
Let me do what?
Make una support bros Enogie. Muna see drop something.
Omi jeune. E buena no wa do we go diri e pitié wa hia mo bogbe several places. Say yes several we no wa mo bogbe. Ani yes several we no mo bogbe ni. Who get picture wa areva? When you have ye picture la web, when you have decorator web ni. A picture because of who bene. A picture a several juju place ni. Wa make sure we picture reva. Where that is where decorator web ni.
Le boy na make na who dori egege because who zano. Me make no ma vera. Obi adakpe. No ya imia. Obi adakpe. Den era Niger no re Nigeria de ba wetu Why you arresting ya wo one wa gele deal with you gbeme. Why gele biyan fo wa di go there we boys. Here ga we police. Here gele biyan fo.
Better play.
Better beating. Why maltreating you? Why gele showing you example so that a boy na uhu dorigi gbe eri rade no ya ara le yimi. No ya ara le yimi because this is too much. He go revenue na 30,000 euro. Umeni no why we go ni Who agege mu. Just imagine. A god almost 100,000 euro. Who agege mu ma suffer yi. Ojobo zero. A boy na wa deal with kakabo. Ne do gbeli ho wa for with depression.
Yes.
So wa ne do gbele ma fo. A boy na wa deal with kakabo. Ika wo vie dono. Ugbe. Zano. Sisa wu zanye hi watamewe. Who do the year now? Several places in that wo mi jeve no nya godi. Several wa not get better. Several juju. Where I'm work born in several place and a several place in new measure with picture yeah decorator we body. Ojobo Jemo wa sun we de wa na mu ye dori
wa plus no ke la I still have another question. Okay. This guy in question so before he thief this go they leave am for house or na overnight he take thief am then he come run comot.
This is not what we expect about but we want you not remember again.
I don't remember again. My phone.
My God.
I waka comot from where my phone dey. That's why.
Abi boy gwe yeni wakedo adit ni saloboa.
No, because Quentin may give a ban or away maybe in way prevention. Way prevention is better than cure. We understand? Okay, because ni meta me yetao. I feel sorry for the victim. Na me with all these things yes no da. You understand, my ladies? So I really feel sorry, but in case of next time, because having manamia where they are acting adamant, they are claiming maybe you don't have to be protective or no, they very very careful. A man run those slight into their DM. Namia where they are still going to fall victim. Exactly. It's up to them. You understand? If I don't get any work one when a man run all those slight to a DM me because I told you by your comment, I they come my lady.
Because he there for my city for Stobeg, yeah. He beg me now die TV for her. I die TV for her finish, he no pay. You see they beg me now die for 16 contract for her. I get all the chat, but I don't get I get your WhatsApp. I go send all of them for you.
Oh wait. I bet talk again will be not here.
Where you they buy for 16? You not get picky when you want buy for.
No, we did the same city. All of us, we did the same city. He begged me because he said now introduce that to me because all of us did the same city. So his friend introduced that to me because I helped his friend buy fish for auto. That one they pay a contract. I don't even know her before. His friend come tell me say now she helped me buy free Joe. He come say beg. Now I help her buy TV. He go pay. I can't carry the TV for her. After when they pay, they go. Because he beg me, so now help her die for 16. I can't tell her, say, me no free help her die for 16. Come beg me. I not come help her die there for 16. The TV money, he not pay finish today. Another person again, they Eshwela. He they owe that one about 4,000 euro. You teach up that one money for Eshwela.
Hey. I don't know the police. I pray may you really carry me go police in Jesus' name. That would be my prayer point. If I want sleep today,
I don't in chat. I don't test the shot. I tell her I go carry and go give people for social media. Just that say I don't get the mind to do it. All the chat where they say that in there. No,
you get the money to pay me.
Because I tell her some people carry and go social media. He said that he not reply me till today. As I see the live video just now, just screenshot I said that for I say, see your life.
As you call screenshot,
if I know
you talk.
If I know,
you know they reply me. You know they reply me.
You know reply.
Now marriage that they call her for it. Even your marriage, he come your marriage. He come.
This kind of thief go come your marriage.
May I make I say if I know the more yours now? Yes,
he come your marriage. He come. He dress people call your marriage that day. He sit away go rent.
Now what travel marriage? I say be ya women.
He call your marriage.
I don't know the person.
You don't know what to call your marriage.
Wait, the baby mama did this NROV here. Abi? The baby
no. The baby mama did this journey, but I don't know the part where he did. She did.
No, not my brother. You should be saying again. Everybody be your brother. You should be looking at your brother. Everybody be your brother.
If I no get one, no, a brother will no.
Oh, not my brother. Yes, not a thief. He cannot be my brother. Never. God forbid. God.
I give up now with this one.
Not my brother. You don't be anything. He's a stinky Jew. A thief. Never. That can never be my brother. God forbid. Not be my brother.
You don't get provoked.
Tell me.
Now your color.
You should be my color. Don't follow us down that day. You should be color.
Don't follow
us. That's why one of us did that. And not be my color. So people they impersonate. Not be anything. The boy is nobody. And they tell you something. They tell me how that thing. You know my brother. People for don't call me since morning. Say see how he be. Not be. We know they associate with all those kind of things. People. Pray. Come. The one when you dey, you never see it. Also, you don't go to tell people for back, say, see how you take deal. Because that one go worse past this one when you dey so. This one, man, they thief. People, they look for how they wanted donation you to put. If you go claim what you not be, now you can't know. Thief? For where? Go. Wow. My Enogie will not get it.
Wait, you still there your area there? You still there now?
No, not from here. From God, whether not Denmark, I be where you go. Not from here. After you don't collect my TV, collect another person money. Then you go to come out. You know they decide they don't come out.
Because that woman from Denmark, a woman at Denmark, woman.
No, that's why we born black for him. This boy is so na Igbo boy.
Igbo.
You know, Igbo no.
He dey speak Yoruba self. No know whether na Bini, whether na Yoruba. Because he dey speak Yoruba.
Na Bini. But he dey speak Yoruba.
Jasmine. Huh? This boy so he do his birthday last year.
No.
Meaning not be see the person that they think
No. Yeah, what we are, baby mama ro. Because now that white woman I no say they with things. The woman herself they speak pidgin, they speak everything. Now he just deal with so and the woman there for Denmark.
He you carry that one.
Hey.
You don't carry and come my house. Many times I come collect food from my house. That one in fact like what I know you go stay front of car. You carry that one.
Hey. Yeah. This boy so I beg of you, Evelyn. You get my number.
I don't get your number. Especially I go check for Facebook if you did.
Okay. Collect my number. You get on that phone.
Chimamanda.
Jasmine.
Chimamanda. Okay. I dey comment. Right now.
You know what they look for my number. I'm on right now.
Yeah, but I know I don't carry pencil. Wait, go.
This right child with my brother. I say not my brother. So you say that my brother. You just say my brother. I block you. You write if you write again say you know my brother. I'll block you. You don't ask such people. No. What did they form for back? You the former for the cash.
Wow, this one shocked me. Oh, I shot
That
of
one
words.
was to. That one was past this thief way. If you not let people waiting not be not go claim out. That one was to. And you know the feel saying na Europe they go baba you That means you know what it mean, sha. You thief. You thief. Then you claim what it not be. I go start to the expulsion. All these impersonators wey dey people. I go start to the expose now one after the other. Everything I want to do, no, I'll do video proof. Now reach 5 like that, opportunity for me to expose the people. Opportunity for me to expose the people. Nonsense. They claim what you not be. Colorful thief.
We colorful thief.
Wait, enough now, you know. What be my brother?
Big boy in the farm, big boy.
Jasmine. But my marriage, you don't see people, you don't see men, you don't see everybody.
Enogie, may wash off of ways.
Hey, when my brothers they follow me, they dance. You see her for our midst?
No, he not there.
How you got to be my brother? That thief? That scammer? That OJ gold? You say they claim what you not be. If your condition now got the worst.
You get him myself, if I boy.
Your condition now is getting more worse. I go down that video for you. Tell let the whole world know say you are a Jew. And you forever remain a Jew. They claim what you not be, they tell people say you be this, you be that. Eh? Hey! Ha! My sister, you can't have more about whether a man I didn't rock back. Amen. Now, people for that come and say, "Mafa, but 20 no, you make it work with me." So nobody you can know and say, where?" We go do video clips. I will make the whole world know that you are a Jew. Go they claim, I don't say we not claim. But not be the one when me be you, they claim. What claim the rest? They craze. What claim anything, not the claim. But not to my own.